Scientists working off of West Africa and the Cape Verde Islands have found evidence of a megatsunami that dwarfs anything humans have ever seen. This is what they're saying. They're saying it was massive and it was caused from the collapse of a volcano 73,000 years ago. And you can see here where the side of this whole thing has collapsed out and given way. And they say that that created an 800-foot wave that completely engulfed an island that was more than 30 miles away. What it did, looking at these charts here, you can see how it came in and kicked these boulders up onto the mainland. And for a while, they were wondering how these massive boulders got up here on land. They knew it had to be from some kind of an event, and now they're stating they know what event. Cape Verde Islands. You can see here, and as you zoom in, this is the island and all the other ones in its path. They got hit hard by this tsunami. And you can see there where it just gave way. And it also brings to mind this region, the Bahamas, the Canary Islands, which have a lot of underwater volcanic activity, and there is, I believe, on the shelf of De La Palma, one of these had a massive slide event. And they're saying that if this whole huge chunk was to break loose or give way off this shelf into the water, just like you witnessed in the other area we were just looking at, that it would cause a massive tsunami. And you can see evidence of where this has happened in the past right here on this island, where it's all given way. And the same thing could happen on the other wall, El Hierro. This is an area and a region to watch, because that could generate a tsunami that could go clear across the North Atlantic Ocean and end up hitting the East Coast over here. But an interesting region when it comes to these volcanoes and some of the history behind them and the massive tsunamis. I also just put out a video in regards to Cascadia Rising 2016, where they're planning this massive drill up in Oregon for a future event that they say is long overdue and will be 30 times greater than anything that could happen down in the San Andreas Fault region. They're talking a tsunami potentially 600 foot, 7 foot high, which would be in the range of what happened here. So I'm going to leave links with more information on all this. Until next time, it's been Dabu7.